So I get a lot of people who ask me, why are we here? Like, what is the purpose of being on Earth? Well, I'm here to tell you. Let me explain. Let's imagine that Earth is the schoolroom or the university for the soul, okay? And as souls, our whole goal is to get to a level of complete love and non-judgment. That is basically what enlightenment means, is getting to that space of absolute love and non-judgment. But you can't just get there. You've actually got to go through stuff in order to get to that level of comprehension and understanding, right? We don't just get to a space and a level of understanding and love and compassion without going through things that help us realize this. And that's where Earth comes in. Now, Earth is one of the densest places that we come to. It is one of the most difficult planets that we reincarnate into. And that's because Earth, there's a waiting list for Earth, by the way, because of the level of intense pain and suffering that we are able to experience here, which elevates us so much faster. The more pain and suffering that you experience, the faster you elevate, the more you learn, the more you grow, the more you evolve. Now, if Earth is the schoolroom for the soul, or the university of the soul, then how does it work? Let me tell you. So, before we come here, we have, we talk with our guides, we talk with our loved ones, source, creator, and we decide what it is that we want to learn in a particular lifetime coming back here. We go, right, what are we going to learn? What is it that we need to go through, and what lessons are going to be valuable for us in order to get us to that space, okay, of evolvement. And we will then choose the things that happen to us. We will choose certain lessons, and that is like the exams. If we are in the University of the Soul, we come back to Earth, we come here to Earth, and we go through exams, which are challenges, difficulties, and obstacles. Now, when you pass the exam, or you overcome a difficulty or challenge, you learn from it, right? And you grow. If you do not, and you fail the exam, that means you will keep repeating the pattern and repeating the incident or the event or the circumstance or the whatever it is over and over until you eventually figure it out and you pass and you learn from it and you use that to be wiser, more knowledgeable and more resilient, stronger, etc., and move on from that lesson. So once you've learned the exam, that's it, you're done. And basically once you've learned all the exams and everything you set out to do here on Earth, you are done and you go home. And you are then more involved and more enlightened as a soul. And that's the